Welcome back to my channel, Techno Trend Zone. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss that is making waves in the photography world. If you're a fan of luxury cameras, precision engineering, and cutting-edge technology, then the rumors surrounding the Leica M12 are going to blow your mind. Leica is on the verge of launching what could be the most advanced digital rangefinder camera ever, and the details emerging are nothing short of astonishing. But is the Leica M12 truly worth all the hype? Let's dive deep into the features, specifications, and everything you need to know about this potential game-changer. The evolution of the Leica M series. Leica has always been synonymous with premium quality, craftsmanship, and photographic excellence. The M11 set a high standard with its revolutionary triple-resolution sensor and impeccable build quality. But the M12 is rumored to take things to an entirely new level. According to inside sources, Leica is pushing boundaries like never before to create a digital rangefinder that redefines what's possible in photography. Leica M12. A 60MP sensor that redefines detail. The biggest and most exciting upgrade in the M12 is said to be its new 60-megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. While the M11 introduced an impressive triple-resolution mode, the M12 will reportedly take it even further. This sensor is expected to deliver unparalleled image quality with enhanced dynamic range, sharper detail, and improved low-light performance. Leica has also re-engineered the sensor architecture to make it more power-efficient while retaining maximum detail at higher ISOs. Rumors suggest that the base ISO will start at ISO 64, but what's truly shocking is how well it handles extreme ISO settings. Some sources claim that ISO 50,000 images will still be usable, with significantly reduced noise compared to previous models. Triple Resolution Mode. Next-gen image processing. Leica's triple-resolution technology was already revolutionary, allowing photographers to shoot at different resolutions without compromising quality. With the M12, Leica is rumored to introduce an even faster image processing engine that will allow for near-instant switching between 60MP, 36MP, and 18MP modes. This means photographers can adapt to different shooting conditions in real time without any delay, optimizing workflow efficiency. A purist's dream. No video, no distractions. While most modern cameras aim to be hybrid devices with both photography and videography features, Leica remains committed to its photography-first philosophy. According to multiple reports, the M12 will not feature any video recording capabilities, staying true to the brand's purist approach. This might seem like a controversial decision in 2025, but Leica believes in crafting a camera that is solely focused on still photography. By eliminating video features, they can concentrate on maximizing image quality, battery efficiency, and usability for serious photographers. Next-generation connectivity. Faster, smarter, seamless. One of the biggest complaints about traditional rangefinder cameras has been their limited connectivity options, but the Leica M12 is rumored to change that. USB-C with faster transfer speeds. Upgraded Wi-Fi for seamless file transfers. Ultra-stable Bluetooth connectivity. These enhancements mean photographers can instantly send high-resolution images to their devices without lag, making workflow integration smoother than ever. Revolutionary design. Lighter, stronger, more durable. Leica has always been known for its exceptional build quality, and the M12 is rumored to introduce next-generation aluminum construction. This will make the camera even lighter than the M11 without sacrificing its durability. Reports suggest the M12 will be 100G lighter, making it more comfortable for long shooting sessions. The camera will also feature enhanced weather sealing, making it dust-proof, splash-proof, and resistant to freezing temperatures. Whether you're shooting in the streets of New York or the snowy landscapes of the Arctic, this camera will endure extreme conditions with ease. A hefty price tag, but worth every penny? Luxury and exclusivity have always been part of Leica's DNA, and the M12 is expected to follow suit. Rumors indicate that the price will be around $10,000 at launch. While this makes it one of the most expensive digital rangefinders on the market, Leica fans know that these cameras hold their value and often appreciate over time. If history is any indicator, the M12 could sell out within hours of release, making it an instant collector's item. Leica might also introduce special limited edition models with unique finishes or exclusive accessories for early buyers, adding to the exclusivity factor. Expected release date. Early 2026 or sooner. While most sources suggest an early 2026 release, there are whispers that Leica could unveil the M12 as early as late 2025. Given the excitement surrounding this camera, an early launch would not be surprising. Some reports even indicate that Leica is preparing something entirely new for early adopters. An exclusive launch event or a never-before-seen camera accessory that could change the game. Final thoughts. Is the Leica M12 the ultimate luxury camera? After reviewing all the leaked information, one thing is clear. The Leica M12 has the potential to be the most advanced digital rangefinder ever created. With its 60MP sensor, enhanced connectivity, lightweight design, and legendary Leica craftsmanship, this camera is set to become a dream tool for professionals and collectors alike. While the lack of video might deter some users, Leica is doubling down on what it does best, delivering unparalleled still photography experiences. If you're someone who values image quality, precision engineering, and the prestige of owning a Leica, the M12 might just be worth the investment. That wraps up our deep dive into the Leica M12. What do you think? Would you spend $10,000 on this luxury camera? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this video informative, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our membership for exclusive content, and follow us on social media for the latest updates. Stay tuned for more mind-blowing tech news, and I'll see you in the next video right here on Techno Trend Zone.